Hi YouTube, Tim Unkert from UnkertEducation.com here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get a custom title bar when you install the Pulsar text editor on a Chromebook. But first, if you like videos like this where I show you how to install software and how to set it up, make sure to subscribe. Okay, with that out of the way, this is what Pulsar will pretty much look like when you start it up, initially installing it on a Chromebook. Now you have this title bar here that matches your native Chrome OS. You might have a changelog and some other welcome screen come up. But you don't have this custom title bar. It doesn't look like the theme of the Pulsar text editor. So to change that, that's relatively easy. First off, I'm going to do Control comma to bring up my settings, and I'm going to make sure that I'm checked on core here. I'm going to scroll down to where it says title bar here, and it's on native, so it's native to the Chrome OS. I don't want that. What I'm going to do is make it first hidden. So I'm going to click on hidden. It's going to prompt me to restart Pulsar, so I'll click to do that. Okay, once Pulsar restarts, we won't have any title bar here. Now we do want a title bar, so I'm going to do Control comma to bring back my settings, and I'm going to go to install here. And I'm going to type in title, and I see this title bar replacer. I'm going to click install. Okay, and once that installs, you'll see that we have now a custom title bar that matches the theme of Pulsar and not the Chrome OS. So that looks really a lot nicer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, as it will help the video. Thank you.